Hello everybody, this is Gavin here from Stevens Creek Lincoln, and today we're going to go over the all-new digital scent feature on the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus. Here at Stevens Creek Lincoln, we have a display board to give all of our customers a first-hand look at our digital scent feature. It shows off all 7 scents that come available with the Lincoln Nautilus or that are available for purchase at lincoln.com. On all your 2025 Lincoln Nautiluses, it comes with a complimentary 3-pack of the digital scents in this box right here. You just open it up, and when you pull it open, it'll show you the 3 pods that come complimentary. You have 3 different scents that come with all your Lincoln Nautiluses. You have Mystic Forest, Ozonic Azure, and Violet Cashmere. Open the console, and in this black tray in the middle, you'll open the button in the middle, and you have 3 trays. You'll take one of your pods, as you see, with the chip facing outward, lay it down, and then when you close up, the digital scent will be engaged. Once your digital scent pods are popped into place in your console, to access the settings, you go here on your screen to the car icon, and then you'll go to the digital scent section. And right here, you'll see all 3 scents that you have placed in and the percentage of the pod remaining. When you click on one, for example, you can change how high you would like the scent at a low tone, a medium tone, or a high tone by just clicking progressively on the name of the one you selected. And it will also promptly show a beautiful background representing each individual scent. Thank you everybody for standing with me today and learning about the digital scent feature on our 25 slot Nautilus. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that post notification bell above.